Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to find the clipboard on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one today is, you want to go ahead and copy any text on your iPhone. It could be from the iMessage, WhatsApp, Facebook or whatever. So here, let's just go ahead and open the Notes application. Then on the Notes app, click on this edit button at the bottom right, then type anything. So just type whatever you want to type or you want to copy and access on clipboard. Then after that, go ahead, press and hold it, and then highlight all and copy. Now you can paste this by clicking on the return button on the keyboard, press and hold, and then paste. That you can access the clipboard. And if you go to maybe any messaging app on your iPhone, you can always paste the clipboard. Alternatively, to access or find clipboard on your iPhone, all you simply need to do is go ahead and open the shortcut app. So just open shortcut. On the shortcut page, locate and click on gallery at the bottom right. Now come to search and search for clipboard. So search for clipboard. Once you search for clipboard, hang on, and you should see a few options like this. Now you want to scroll down to locate adjust clipboard. Then click on the plus button on adjust clipboard. Once you see this checked, come back to shortcut at the bottom left and click on it. Then you see adjust clipboard added. Now click on it. Then you should see what you have on your clipboard. Change your clipboard content. Now if you want to delete whatever you have on the clipboard, just delete it and then rewrite it. So click on done. Now allow. Now if you go ahead and paste that text, you should see it deleted. You see that? So that's exactly how to access or find clipboard on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.